She's my cherry pie. Boom! This is the not fun part for our cherry pie. Now you could buy the canned stuff by all means. I'm using fresh ones. You'll see why I'm putting that paper down. I've got here, I want to say about 5 cups or so of cherries. This is the, I'll say, grunt work of your cherry pie. So I'm going to lay them down like that with parchment paper. I'm going to get another board, and then I'm going to gently push until I hear the squish. Did you guys hear the squish? Juice is flying out. Let's see how they look. Did that work? Be gentle here. A little push out, and then I'm just going to simply pull. Now I've got to do this for 5 cups of. You have to get the pit out of each one, because the last thing you want is to go to someone's place, bring your cherry pie, and having it have a pit in there. That would not go over well. So gentle, and then we should be able to just pull that out or squeeze it out. We don't want to lose too much of this juice. Okay, that was a heck of a lot of work for the cherries, but I've got about 5 cups pitted and ready on the cherries. So now I'm going to make the filling, then I'm going to get the crust ready, then we're going to fill up the crust, and then we're going to bake the cherry pie. Okay, flour. We want this to thicken up a little bit in there, not too much. What? I'm going to use half a cup. Just thought of that. I want to go 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. So 1, 2, 3. Give that a little mix-a-rooney. Now I'm also going to do a little bit of a cornstarch mixture in there to make sure that it's thick. So check those out. Those are all of our cherries. I'll add in the flour and the sugar. Okay. I've got some cornstarch, a little thick paste. Get this set first. Give this a nice mix. Sugar. This was a lot of work pitting the cherries, and I went through it 3 times. Okay. So we've got sugar, we've got cherries, we've got flour. Now, just a splash of that cornstarch. This is going to help thicken it up. It's going to be a nice cherry pie, let me tell you. Okay, so pie crust I've had in the freezer, firming up. You can check my channel and see how to make pie crust. Make sure we're good on the flour there. Won't stick, good. Excellent. So halfway in on the disc, roll away. Halfway in on the disc, roll towards you. Turn it halfway, away, towards you. Do this so it's at least an inch bigger than your pie dish. Rolling pin your crust, fold it over, take this side, fold it over, then you can simply lift up and over. Now, be gentle and just unroll, 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 place, and rearrange. Okay, I want it to hang over the edges for the design that we're going to do. Tuck it into the corners. Good, like that. Patch it up. And make sure we're pressed in. So we remember to put some fork holes in there. Okay, in goes. We want to pile this high and deep. Good. Set this aside for a moment. You can see exactly how I want to finish this. So again, a little bit more flour here. Okay. I've got a mini pie crust ready. Watch, this is what I do or how I do it. So I'll use my pizza cutter and I'll do about a 1/4 turn all the way down. If you have pastry cutter, you can certainly use that as well, okay? Good, we'll move this here. We'll move that there. Now, for some added flavor, I'm gonna do a little combination here of butter and cinnamon to drizzle. 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 Now, I'm gonna take the longest strip for the center of the pie. Okay, we'll get those set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we roll back the odd numbers to start. So we roll back 1, We've got to roll back 3. We've got to roll back 7. I'm going to use this one. Tuck it up as close as possible. All the way back. We'll do patchwork wherever need be. Now we roll back to even. So there's number 2. There's number 4. There's number 6. Okay? And then we'll place another one. Depends on how tight you want to make your lattice. And then simply roll them back. Roll that back. Keep it nice and tucked. Okay? Roll that back. Nice and tucked. And then repeat. Okay? We go back to number 1. Number 3. Tuck this in. Tight. 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 Now we can trim. That's why I left the edges, to give myself that little wiggle room of whatever I need. What I can do is I can take my knife and I can simply go around the edge. I want to make sure we made it first, okay? Take away all the excess crust. Go around and press in, just like this. Seal it, okay? Make this look nice. This is going to be the finishing touch, right around the edges. Okay, now before it goes in the oven, I want to just give it a light coating with some egg wash. It's going to help give it that nice little sheen. Just a little bit. It wouldn't be finished without a little bit more sugar. Boom! Okay, pie ready for the oven. Bring that in. 10 minutes, 400 degrees. Is that what it's at? 400? And then about 30, 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Down there. Okay. She's my cherry pie. Check that out. Oh boy. Nice. It's golden brown. I'll do some more video in the morning once it's cooled down and it's better lighting. That's my cherry pie, homemade pie crust using fresh cherries. I pitted over 5 cups of cherries to make this cherry pie. I'm hoping tomorrow when I deliver it, it gets the triple boom. Boom! So that's the cherry pie. It's cooled overnight. It's all ready to go. I don't know about the flavor. I'm a little nervous of this one. I'm gonna bring it by, see when they try it, if they like it. If they don't like it, I have a feeling on this cherry pie, I'm gonna get roasted for it. But for now, we'll give it the triple boom. Boom! She's my cherry pie.